Okay, so 2006 RX330 replacing the headlight assemblies. Disconnect your negative terminal on the battery. And you're going to take off 10mm bolts here, and here, on this side, over there, over there. Okay, battery terminal removed. This trim piece here is taken off with the pins 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll remove that panel there on the right side. So we got that. This has to come away. Screw there, another 10mm. Right side of the headlamp assembly, disconnecting the connectors. You can do after you pull the headlight a little bit out. And then the bolt here. So I also have to remove the screws on here. Here's 1, 2. Looks like an Allen wrench. Push pin. Here's 1. Third bumper bracket things look like this.
Can't see them black glove.
Yeah. Here. 2. Not the greatest.
Wait, things are getting mixed.
The driver's side, I've taken a 10mm nut here. I mean up here. 2 off here. This looks like X wrench. That's a push pin. Push pin. Are this old, of course. You pull on these metal parts out on these pins here, here, here. Boop, boop, boop. And a lot of them tend to break because they're so old and dried out. Front here, this is a 5/32 hex. Underneath the bumper, we have 3, 4. And then a nut here. Oops. One up here. Okay, did not have to take these off.
Okay, now the question is, what's still
still
holding
take that
this
one
on?
Push, give it a little push, and it goes sliding off that way.
The other side, and that's it. You don't have to take it all the way out.
Yeah. So, over here. Let's see, now what did not happen here? Oh, there is something different over here. Pull this back a little bit so you can get this nut right here. Okay, so pull it out and push. And it's away. Alright, so now what are you doing over here?
Okay, there's a tab. Gotta lift this ever so slightly.
Oh, tab. Oh, there was like a tab on another Lexus, but it wasn't like that.
Voila!
Like that. Okay. You're removing the electrical connectors. How many we got to take off from the? No, turn 2. See, those are twists. Turn and twist.
I don't know.
Yep. And clockwise and twist. Oh, look, a big piece of crap. Shiny. This is the left headlight. Need this nut. It's this bolt, and you lift it up. Oops. Can't even see this nut. Lifting up on that. This one. That corresponds to that. Right over here.
Is this my new headlight?
Right there.
This is my favorite part.
This is the old one. You gotta take that off.
I don't want to scratch this. So.
Oh, alright. Okay, so this assembly needs to come off. This one, and that one. And you need to take this little clip off here. that off, squeeze it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And screw this. On this side, you still have the headlight to pop out. What is this? 2007
POS?
POS RX330. Bad headlights. So we're gonna swap these puppies out. Yeah, let's see. There's what bumper first, right?
This piece cover's been removed.
Oh, I think I got that before.
Screw there.
Screw. Bumper. Alright, we're gonna put these up and put them up on the workbench.
Because I just put them all in one place before I relocated them all. Because
there was just 3 though, right?
on the top piece right here, there's 3 here. There's 5 total, but I think there's
They're under the sides, right?
Yeah. Well, there's 2. Yeah, there's 2 bolts on the side and the wheel well. That's you.
But it's not the one I took off. There's one underneath the bumper.
Times 4.
Where was that one? That one. One,
Dink, 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 and the one on the other end.
Oh, what about these here too?
What about what ones?
I got one right here.
There's one on the far ends.
Yeah, the edge.
There's something right behind this. Is that
Yeah, there's this one.
You took off way too much
This
last
one.
time. I thought there was only one. There's only one.
No,
thing.
and then right up here.
There's one holding this on.
Right here.
If you say so.
Alright, okay, and the wheel fenders, these have to come off. Assuming this is actually in there, right? And this one up here doesn't really need to come off. So this one, that's goes behind that. And then up here, there we go, goes up there. And this clips up.
I took that one out. It's gone.
Right there. There. Pictures. So these already come preloaded with all the bulbs. Let's make sure we put them all into the right plugs. Should be pretty obvious.
Now it's on.
Makes a click sound there, and that comes up there. So those 2 points. Black screw, where to go? Right there. It's lined up. Push it out a little bit here.
Let's see how you do it this way.
Push the headlight. There we go.
The other one had a trim piece.
Well,
This tab had to fit into a trim piece.
Yeah.
The new bulbs do not have that.
really? So that's a. Oh, okay. Because I remember the original one. I had a thing I had to slide.
Yeah.
into.
So you still have to line it up, or you're not going to get it
Yeah.
in the right place. So.
This is the trim piece we're talking about. Right here.
That bad.
Okay, these are the clips that didn't come with the new ones that I pinched off. But it does have spots on the new ones to put these in, so the top part of the bumper will slide into that crack. 3 push pins back there, there, Coffee. What was this on with? Push pins? Bolts?
Yeah, just these stupid push pin things. Which, of course, I gotta reset them now.
There, here we go.
Where the hell is there's 4 of them.
And you already secured that back on office. I forgot to point that out. Bolt. Water heater, washer fluid. Because you know you need a water heater in your car in Florida. Alright, now let's do a check. Yep. 5 beams. Left signal, right signal. Yep. Did you do that signal? Okay, it's all good.